Hi friends, as I had promised you before, let me tell you about the systems in our body, and there are 8 of them. First, let me tell you in brief about the respiratory system. The respiratory system in human beings functions like this. The air is taken into the body through the nostrils. The air passes through the nostrils, is filtered by fine hairs that line the passage. The passage is also lined with mucus, which helps in this process. From here, the air passes through the throat and into the lungs. Rings of cartilage are present in the throat. This ensures that the passage does not collapse. Within the lungs, the passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes which finally terminate into balloon-like structures which are called alveoli. The alveoli provide a surface where the exchange of gases can take place. The walls of the alveoli contain an extensive network of blood vessels. As we have seen in earlier years of study, when we breathe in, we lift our ribs and flatten our diaphragm, and the chest cavity becomes larger as a result. Because of this, air is sucked into the lungs and fills the expanded alveoli. The blood brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body for release into the alveoli, and the oxygen in the alveolus air is taken up by the blood in the alveolar blood vessels to be transported to the heart and from there to the different cells of the body. The heart is like the pump to supply the blood in different directions. During the breathing cycle, when air is taken in and let out, the lungs always contain a residual volume of air so that there is sufficient time for oxygen to be absorbed and for the carbon dioxide to be released. When the blood when the body size of animals is large, the diffusion pressure alone cannot take care of oxygen delivery to all parts of the body. Instead, respiratory pigments take up oxygen from the air in the lungs and carry it to tissues which are deficient in oxygen before releasing it. In human beings, the respiratory pigment is hemoglobin, which has a very high affinity for oxygen. This pigment is present in the red blood corpuscles, RBCs. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen and hence is mostly transported in the dissolved form in our blood. Thus, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in the lungs, and the oxygenated blood is taken to the heart through the pulmonary vein, the only vein in our body that carries pure blood. This is the full description in brief of the respiratory system in our body. And there are 7 other systems, friends. I'll just mention you what are they. They are the circulatory system, which talks about the circulation of blood, the nervous system, about the nerves in our body, the lymphatic system, which talks about the lymphatic vessels and all that. Then the respiratory system, I told you. Then the urinary system or the excretory system, which deals with the throwing out of waste from the body. Then the musculoskeletal system about the muscles and the skeleton, the bones of the body. The digestive system, which includes our mouth, our stomach, and all that till the food is left out of the body. And the endocrine system, which has the endocrine glands of the body. If you know all these systems and the location of all these systems, where are they located, these organs which function, and what are their functions, what exactly they do, and everything, how if we do a certain thing, the way we live our lifestyle, something is wrong in a lifestyle, a certain part of our system or our body gets damaged, and how it gets damaged, how it starts and why it starts, for what reason of our behavior, our daily habits. It will be very easy for you to take care of your health. So first, in brief, you only know about all these systems, and I will tell you the different organs and their functions, and also I'll tell. And then, in short, I'll tell you about the whole body, and you will come to know then that how our body works and what our body needs exactly, what is the right way to take care of our body, and what wrongs we do, and if we do those wrongs, what can happen to us. All this I will tell you just to help you to take care of yourself and to avoid falling sick or becoming very serious in some way in the future due to negligence because you didn't know about it. Only in brief I will tell. And I hope friends you like this first video of mine. Though today was a Sunday, I said at least one video I will make and put up so that I don't keep a gap. I hope you liked my first explanation in brief, but please see I have put up a picture of the respiratory system. Just go through the picture. Please go through the names what are mentioned on the picture, which part means what. Just see that and then listen to my video and you'll be able to understand the full thing. And in this way, it will be very easy for you in the end when I complete this series to take care of yourself. You will know what wrong you're doing and why to avoid it and how to avoid it, and then have a happy life ahead. If you liked what I said, friends, do like, comment, and tell me below what you felt about it. Do share and subscribe. Take care and lots of love to you all. Bye.